In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. We'll do this on a mobile device, whether you're using Android or iPhone, and I'll walk you through exactly what to tap and what to expect so you feel confident the moment you try it. Start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where the conversation lives. If the interface looks different from what you remember, it's a good idea to ensure your app is updated to the latest version so the menu names match what you see here. Next, open the conversation with the person you want to restrict. You'll be doing this from your existing chats list. Don't worry about changing anything inside the thread yet. Just open the chat so you're on the screen where you can see your messages with that person. At the top of that conversation, tap the person's name. This is the profile header that sits along the top bar of the chat. Tapping it opens a panel with options and settings specific to this conversation. You're headed there to find the restriction control without changing any of your other settings. Now, scroll down through the options until you see Restrict. It's typically near the lower part of the list. When you find it, select Restrict, and then confirm by tapping Restrict Account. The confirmation is important because it prevents you from changing things accidentally, so take a moment to read what's on the screen and then proceed. Once you confirm, the chat will be moved out of your main inbox. That's the key result you're looking for. By moving the conversation out of view, Messenger helps you reduce distractions and keep your primary inbox focused on messages you want to see first. This change is designed to be discreet, and it lets you check in on that conversation on your own terms whenever you're ready. If at any point you don't immediately see Restrict in the options, take a slow scroll and look carefully. It's easy to miss among the other settings. Also remember that small design tweaks can vary slightly between Android and iPhone, but the flow is the same. Open Messenger, open the conversation, tap the person's name at the top, and choose Restrict, then Confirm. That's all it takes. You open Messenger, went to the conversation, tapped the name at the top, selected Restrict, and confirmed. Your chat is now out of the main inbox, giving you a cleaner, calmer messaging experience.